Good afternoon, friends. One of the areas of robotics has become intellectual toys for teaching children creativity, the basics of science and programming. Sometimes such children's robots already have elements of artificial intelligence and are able to self-learn in the process of communication. Large corporations and small startups help bring the most original ideas from children's gaming robotics to life. From the projects presented on these crowdfunding platforms, we have compiled a selection of the most popular ideas that received funding for the further development of the project.
Smartbot is a universal programmable robot toy. Thanks to the modular design, the robot can be assembled in the form of a humanoid, 2- and 4-wheeled carts, a manipulator resembling industrial robots in shape and movements. There are 50 pre-programmed fun designs and many more options for you to create on your own. Interactive Clickbot is able to listen to the interlocutor and respond to his actions. Although not intended to be used as a fully autonomous companion robot, its behavior can be easily programmed. Clickbot has over 1,000 settings and each has its own variations. It can walk, crawl, dance, ride, race, or even serve morning coffee while engaging kids in robotics and programming classes. Robot is a smart entertainment robot that another emotional companion robot that gets to know its owner over time. Its forehead camera allows it to recognize its owner's mood, signaling it to react with a corresponding behavior. If you enter the room and greet Liku, it will turn its head toward you, make eye contact, and offer a smile in return. Its expressive eyes can convey at least 5 emotions, including pleasant, unpleasant, alarming, crying, and sleeping. With the added benefit of both arms and legs, Liku can strike a stylish pose anytime you point a camera its way. That's right, Liku knows what a selfie is, and you can bet we're going to post plenty when we get our hands on one. A portable companion robot based on artificial intelligence designed to teach children foreign languages and basic skills in the exact sciences. The interactive robot identifies the child by the face, recognizes emotions, and demonstrates friendly behavior to involve children in the learning process. The voice recognition system allows you to evaluate the accuracy of answers and pronunciation. Roibai interacts with a ubiquitous online learning platform for children and adults. The reports generated by the robot with recommendations for improving the learning process help to monitor and evaluate classes. MOS kits from Modular Robotics are the original kits for building robots. Diverse in purpose, programmable cubes, cubelets, are easily combined and allow you to assemble hundreds of different robots. The selection of cubes during the assembly process of the robot imitates the process of simple programming. Programming using the Blockly and MOS Scratch graphic editor sets the algorithms for monitoring sensors and controlling actuators for movement, turns, giving light and sound signals. You can program and control the robot via Bluetooth using a smartphone or tablet using a keyboard or remote control. robot cat Kiki thinks learning AI can win where other home robots failed. Building a companion robot is harder than you might think, but startup Zoetic AI believes its cutesy cyber cat Kiki has the personality it takes to reach the mainstream. Resembling a cross between a bowling pin and a manga kitty, Kiki aims to do what Jibwa, Curry, and others failed to, earning a spot on your desk by virtue of its infinitely flexible AI-powered personality. Kiki's secret sauce, though, is in how the robot develops. Existing social robots, Zoetic CEO and co-founder Mita Yun explained to me, follow preset behavioral routines. Recognize a face. That triggers the greeting action. Go for a spell without attention. That might prompt a little dance. It means there's plenty of scope for building out a personality, but only if the robot's creators put in the time to design those routines. If they don't, though, users end up losing interest. The robot seems repetitive. For resource-strapped startups, it can mean a significant chunk of your team spends most of their time creating trigger and action patterns. Zoetic has taken a different approach. Its AI personality engine relies on deep learning methods, testing out behaviors, assessing the reaction they prompt, and then experimenting with those leanings. For instance, if Kiki dances, it can then use facial recognition and mood identification to see if that prompts its owner to smile or laugh. The personality engine can adjust across 5 different traits: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. And while each Kiki may start out the same, over time and repeated interactions, the idea is that the robot will end up unique. Shower Kiki with regular attention, and it might end up with a high drive for interaction and seek out regular petting. At the other extreme, a low interaction drive could see Kiki grow uninterested and standoffish more rapidly. In fact, these are not all the topics that will be covered, there are many more of them. So, subscribe to our channel, comment, we are interested in your opinion.